So today is run out. We do a live, but it's run out. So the Ming Ming is with me. I'm just what you call that, hiding here for a while. My live is what you call that. I don't know if that is turned off now or what. I don't have a data, so I don't what you call that. Not expecting it's run out, so I just let my cat sleep. She sleep with me. So this is what I do. Kabayo budlo. So Sahira in school. Me and the cat is home. Daddy is home, but sleeping in the other room. So guys, this cat is sleep with us every night. So that's why he's crying like crazy because he want me to sleep, lie down. But supposed to be he's already sleep in the our picture frame. That's her bed if we are in living room and I'm in the kitchen like that. If Sahira go to school, he will sleep there. So now he saw me that I go to the room because she's burned out. Look at sleeping with me. This is really sweet one, guys. We are love him. Love him, no? We love the baby, no? I don't know if you can hear her. Pouring. That's what she said.